Hello, my name is Yoshi Terauchi. I have developed what we call 812MT. 812MT is used to ovulate canal with MTA. And what is special about 812MT? In addition to T mode, this one has T mode plus. In the T mode plus, you can use 3 modes. First of all, this motor is controlled by a foot control. So there are 4 buttons: black, yellow, red, and blue. If you simply want to start the rotation, just push the black button. Then you can use the 90-degree reciprocating motion to carry MTA to the apex. Then once you reach the apex, push the black button again. Now it's rotating 100 RPM counterclockwise to condense MTA. Then, if you see the reading of the apex locator on 812MT from apex to 0.5, then you can start sonics. If you want to activate sonics, push this button, red one. You can change the intensity of sonics by pushing the yellow one. This is low, this is medium, this is high. Then you can actually remove voice with sonics. And if you again going to the apex with sonics, if you keep rotating the file counterclockwise at 100 RPM, you see the reading going from apex to 0.5 or 1. Then you can use small up and down motion to keep condensing MTA. Then if you see voice, then you can start activation again. Then you can push the black button again to rotate the file clockwise instead of counterclockwise. So this way, you can easily remove voice and do it again. You can again activate sonics, then you can use counterclockwise rotation to condense MTA after you remove voice. Then you can finish the condensation with a plugger. So it's very simple. So you should use this to condense MTA. It's very easy. So you can finish the MTA condensation maybe in 2 to 3 minutes with this device. Thank you very much.